Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing the second part of my haul, and it's a big one. So grab a snack, grab a drink, grab a watching buddy, and let's go. All right guys, so I have some items that I purchased. I'm going to share with you what skincare and hair care items this little mama picked up. So the first thing is I needed to replenish my eye cream, and I used to use the Peter Thomas Roth Mega Rich Eye Cream, but my friend who is an esthetician recommended that I switch to the Peter Thomas Roth Vital E Microbiome Age Defense Eye Cream. It looks like this. This has a very unique texture. It's like a thick mousse, and you really have to work it into your hands or your fingers in order to get a nice creamy application. If you just kind of scoop it out and then apply it directly to your eye, it's going to be really thick and difficult to actually apply. So you first have to warm it up. Same thing with their moisturizer. They have the same product in a moisturizer form, and it's the same thing. You just have to scoop it up, warm it up, and then apply it to your hands, and it's like this beautiful creamy liquidy, no, liquidy is not the word, it's just a very nice thin layer of product. I bought the Laneige sleeping mask, ran out of this. I love this. I keep this by my bedside. It is the final step to my routine at night. As soon as I walk over to my side of the bed, I take it, scoop it out, and boop, on the lips and right to sleep. I got a backup of my Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng Biotin shampoo and conditioner, and I also got their volumizing spray. I have actually used this, and let me tell you guys, I love it. I love it so much. I love the nozzle on it. It gives you like the best even coat of this product, and it's so lightweight, it smells good, and it doesn't weigh my hair down, and it does give me volume. Again, I'm not someone that gets a ton of volume, but I do notice that this is probably the best product for giving my hair volume. They had the Peter Thomas Roth Max Sheer All Day Moisture Defense Lotion. This is SPF 30. This was on sale, and so I decided to pick it up. This was actually the product that first took me into Sephora. I had gotten, my husband's cousin Jessie worked with Sephora at the time, and she gave me their moisturizer, and I loved it. And because I have hyperpigmentation and I had noticed that I was getting more sun damage from driving, she offered it to me. I took it and I loved it, and as soon as I ran out, I walked into Sephora to repurchase it. So I know it's a product that I really love. It hydrates my skin. It's not heavy or greasy. It doesn't break me out, and it offers sun protection. Guys, this is one that I've been using that I love, and I highly recommend already. This is the Algenist Hyaluronic Acid and Collagen. This is a sleeping product. It's not a mask, is it? No, it's just a cream. This also has very interesting texture. It's very thick and balmy, and when you scoop it up and massage it, again, it becomes very thin, easy to apply, and it smells so good. It has almost like a little scent of coconut, although that's not the scent, but that's what it reminds me of, like a little bit of coconut, and it's so hydrating and smoothing. I got it because I was getting these little wrinkles here on my nose, and I haven't noticed them where I was noticing them before, so this might be working actually. But I love this stuff so much. It leaves my skin very soft. It looks very nice and plump the following day, so I highly recommend this stuff. I got the Power Couple. This is by Sunday Riley. I used to use this stuff back in the day, and I really loved it. This is not their full-size set. You're getting a mini, which this stuff should last you a long time. And this, I love the way this smells. I remember in the mornings looking forward to putting that on just because I loved how much it smelled. So I know that there are products that I really like, and I needed a new serum for night, and I figured this would be a good time to do this. And then the lactic acid treatment is really lovely for the daytime. So I'm hoping that my skin can handle both. I tend to alternate them because if I use them every day, in the day and night, it's too much for my skin, and it just ends up drying me out. I have 3 new products that I'm adding to my skincare regimen, and again, my friend Antonia recommended them. So she introduced me to a brand called La Roche-Posay, and it's a French brand. It's a brand that has incredible ingredients, and you can actually buy these on Ulta, Target, Walgreens, and I think Walmart carries them. But she recommended these products for makeup removal and basically just to get everything off my face before going in with my cleanser. So I bought the makeup remover micellar water gel. This is a really nice product. So I take a few pumps of it, work it into my hand, massage it into my face, and it does break everything off. Once I splash my face with water, I still have like a thin film over my face, and it's this product, so you definitely have to go in with a cleanser afterwards, just in case you were wondering. She recommended the waterproof eye makeup remover. This is what this looks like. I haven't tried this yet, but you have to mix it. It's like an oil and water base. And the final thing she recommended was the Micellar Ultra water. I told her that I was using Bioderma, which I love. I don't have any issues with it, but she said to use this because it was better for my skin and that it had skincare ingredients that would help with elasticity, anti-aging, and adding hydration to my skin. So far, I have to say I really enjoy the products, and I bought 2 of each. They had a sale, and I figured, why not? It's a very inexpensive brand, and it is, I have to say, doing what it claims to do. This is a weird one. So I wanted to try this mask. This is, Huda Beauty released a mask, right? It's that chin one, and I'm like, ooh, I want to do it. So one of the commenters, on a post that somebody posted said, yeah, that's great, but these masks have been around for a really long time. It's a Korean thing, and she recommended this one in particular, and I bought it on Amazon. It's V-Line Lifting Hydrogel Collagen Mask. You're supposed to sleep with it, and I tried one yesterday. It's not very comfortable to sleep, but I did have it on for a few hours before I just decided to take it off. You're supposed to use it for 7 days straight, and then you can use it once every 2 to 4 days. So I still got it, so I don't know. We'll see about it. But I am concerned with this here. I'm 36, so I know that I'm losing some elasticity already. I can see it, but here is my concern. My mama struggles there, and I feel like I look like my mom. So I just want to make sure that I'm taking preventive measures at this point. So I'll keep you guys posted on it, but it was 20 bucks for 7, so it wasn't horribly bad. That's all I have for you guys. That's all the skincare stuff that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know down below if there's anything that you have questions about, or if you have any questions about my skincare. I did tell you guys that I was going to film something, and I promise you guys it's gonna come, I promise. But I have been switching things out, which is why I haven't felt comfortable doing the video, because I want to be able to talk to you guys about my skincare regimen and feel very confident in what I'm saying and sharing. So I want to make sure that I have my products in line before I disclose any of my secrets. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.